Prepare yourself for the celestial event that's about to sweep through the cosmos. The final peak of double moon energy is imminent. This rare phenomenon, steeped in both wonder and mystique, presents a unique moment where the energies of two moons amplify, influencing life on Earth in profound ways. Today, we'll dive into the essence of double moon energy, exploring its significance and historical footprint, setting the stage for a deeper understanding of how to harness this powerful occurrence. Double moon energy refers to a special astrological event where the energy of the moon doubles, metaphorically speaking, due to specific celestial alignments. This is not about seeing two physical moons in the sky, but rather experiencing an intensified lunar influence. The moon, as a significant astrological body, impacts tidal forces, human emotions, and even biological cycles. During the peak of double moon energy, these effects are believed to be magnified, offering a potent window for personal and spiritual growth. The phenomenon itself is rooted in the alignment of celestial bodies that amplifies lunar energy to a level that's palpably more intense. Astrologers and spiritualists often mark these periods as times of heightened emotional and psychic sensitivity. The implications of such an alignment are vast, affecting everything from individual mood swings to broader societal trends. It's a time when the veil between intuition and reality seems thinner, and the unseen energies of the universe are at their most accessible. Historically, occurrences of what could be likened to double moon energy have been noted during various lunar events, such as supermoons or significant lunar eclipses. Ancient civilizations were keen observers of the sky and often correlated major celestial events with significant earthly changes. These historical accounts, although not always scientifically documented, offer a tapestry of anecdotal evidence supporting the idea that lunar energies can influence terrestrial life. Civilizations across the globe, from the Mayans to the Egyptians, constructed elaborate calendars and systems to track celestial movements, often planning major events and decisions around the phases of the moon. The concept of a double moon amplifies this traditional moon lore, suggesting that the energy during such times is even more influential. While we approach the peak of double moon energy, it's crucial to understand exactly what this peak means and its potential effects. Essentially, the peak is the moment when the moon's energy, amplified by celestial alignments, reaches its highest intensity. This heightened energy can influence both the natural world and human behavior in subtle yet profound ways. During this period, the moon's gravitational pull may be more pronounced, affecting ocean tides and, some believe, even human emotions. This is a time when many people report feeling more emotionally raw or sensitive, which could be tied to the intensified lunar influence. On a broader scale, this peak phase may also correlate with shifts in weather patterns or seismic activity, as the Earth responds to changes in celestial forces. Preparing for the peak of double moon energy involves several practical steps that focus on grounding and centering oneself. First and foremost, it is advisable to engage in practices that promote calm and stability. Meditation, yoga, and spending quiet time in nature can help align your personal energy with the serene aspects of the moon's influence. In addition to these grounding activities, maintaining a journal during this period can be particularly effective. Writing down thoughts, emotions, and experiences as they occur provides a way to process the increased emotional sensitivity that often accompanies the peak. This can serve as a valuable tool for personal reflection and growth, allowing you to navigate the energies more consciously. Another key preparation is to stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet. The body's physical needs can sometimes be amplified during periods of intense energy, so taking care of your physical health is crucial. Ensuring that you get enough rest is also important, as sleep is a time when the body and mind can fully integrate and process the heightened energies. The peak of double moon energy can have diverse effects on individuals, depending on their sensitivity to lunar influences and their personal astrological signs. Generally, this period is seen as an opportunity for deep emotional healing and personal introspection. You may find that unresolved emotions or thoughts suddenly surface, offering a chance for resolution and clarity. For those interested in astrology, understanding how your zodiac sign interacts with the moon's phases could provide additional insight into what to expect during this peak. Each sign may experience different aspects of the energy. Some may feel more energized and inspired, while others might need to focus on being more grounded. On a larger scale, the peak of double moon energy can coincide with noticeable shifts in societal attitudes and behaviors. Historically, periods of intense lunar activity have been associated with various social movements and collective changes. Globally, the impact can vary widely, but often, there may be a greater focus on humanitarian issues or a renewed sense of interconnectedness among different cultures and communities. These periods can catalyze discussions around important social issues, pushing them to the forefront of public consciousness. Harnessing the energy of the double moon requires conscious effort and intention. Here are some practical tips to make the most of this time. Begin by setting clear intentions. Before the peak arrives, take a moment to reflect on what you wish to achieve or address during this period. Whether it's personal growth, emotional healing, or achieving a specific goal, having a clear intention helps direct the moon's powerful energy towards your desires. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can also amplify your connection to this energy. These practices help in calming the mind and centering the spirit, making you more receptive to the subtle energies influenced by the moon. Engaging in meditation during the moonrise or moonset can particularly enhance this experience, aligning your energy with the lunar cycles. Another beneficial practice is to create a small ritual or ceremony around your intention. This could involve lighting candles, using crystals that resonate with lunar energy, such as moonstone or selenite, or simply spending time under the night sky. Rituals can help in focusing your energy and intentions, creating a deeper connection to the cosmic forces at play. While the double moon energy can be profoundly beneficial, it's important to approach this period with caution. Avoid overexerting yourself or setting expectations that are too high, as the heightened energy can sometimes lead to feelings of overwhelm or exhaustion. It's crucial to listen to your body and give yourself permission to rest if you feel drained. Be wary of emotional volatility. The intensified lunar energy can magnify emotions, leading to mood swings or unexpected emotional responses. It's essential to stay grounded and practice emotional regulation techniques such as deep breathing, staying hydrated, and maintaining a balanced diet to help stabilize your mood. Remain open and flexible. The energies and opportunities that arise during the double moon can be unpredictable. Staying adaptable allows you to make the most of this time without becoming too attached to specific outcomes, thereby reducing potential frustrations or disappointments. Consider joining online forums or local groups focused on lunar events. Sharing your experiences and hearing others' stories can provide insights and validation of the unique feelings and events occurring during this period. While we conclude our exploration of the double moon energy, remember that this rare celestial event is a time of potential, offering both challenges and opportunities. As the double moon approaches, consider how you might best use this time. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for more content like this. Let's go through these powerful energies together, supporting each other in our journeys of growth and discovery.